David here. In today's tutorial, I'd like to show you how to contribute to Opensource. What is Opensource first of all? Opensource is the software that any developer can contribute to, can modify and share the code freely. Contributing to Opensource has advantages such as learning to develop software, improving your online presence as a developer, gaining experience, so on and so forth. The first thing you have to do if you are to contribute to Opensource is to get a GitHub account, because GitHub is where Opensource projects are hosted. So how do you sign up on GitHub? We can sign up by putting our email address. We can also click here and we can follow along this interactive registration. So I'll put my email and a password. So the tool will keep telling you whether you have a weak password or a stronger password. I'll click continue and I'll put a name. So I'll say David. All right. So if you want to receive product updates, you can type yes. For now, I'll type N for no. I'll click start puzzle and I'll pick Spiral Galaxy, which is here, there, here. That's it. So now I can create my account. And I'll save the password so that anytime I want. So I can now go and get the code from my email and enter it here. Here's the code. You can copy it and paste it. There you go. I can skip these. So GitHub is coming. So after opening the GitHub account, you can search for a project that you want. You can search on GitHub. For example, I'll search for a project that I know called Distributor. A lot of projects will be brought, but it looks like, yes, this one here. So I can click it and I can start contributing to it. One of the things I can do is to fork it so that I can have a copy of it on my GitHub. So if I fork it, it will be in my repositories. So if I click my username and I go to the repositories, you can see that I have one repository, and even here. So how would I contribute to this project? If I click like this, this is my copy, but I can go to the original copy, and this repo is not showing enough information, like it's not showing how to get this project on our computer. It's not showing how to demo. So I can go to issues. That's the first way you contribute. Like for example, you see someone here called Bahira contributed to this repo, to this project. You too can contribute. Click issues and click new. You don't need to be good at coding, but you need to be observant. So I can say documentation, and I'll say Lux installation guideline. How can I demo without installing on my computer? I will submit an issue. So you see this project now has 2 issues. If you click here, you see the one I've just created and the one which was created 2 days ago. Assuming that the person tells us how to test the demo, we can go to the demo and test it. I know the domain and how to test it. So I will go here and start testing. You can see it says this free app will save your time. Determines how much each team member will get from a shareable amount. Enter the amount you want to share. Enter the name and the percentage of each person. Made a mistake? No worries, you can edit or delete. So those are the instructions. Enter 50,000 and the system bring where I can enter the name. I'll put the name, I'll put 10, and the system can show you that it's working well. shows you the name has received 10% of the shareable amount, which is 50,000, which you can delete or edit. Now I can click edit probably, and I see if it works. So, and click save. Yeah, and it works. So I'll try to go here, James, and I'll enter 1000%. Okay, and see. So the system says distributed cannot exceed amount to be shared, but this thing here is displaying, though here it is displaying the right things. I will screenshot this one. I'll grab screenshot tool by pressing Shift Command and 5. Then I can do this, and oh, maybe I can just do the entire thing so that person can see. Can do the entire thing, enter, and this is what has happened. So I will go ahead and highlight this. Can use this. Yes, this has worked. So I'll bring it over here, drag it around, and I will click down. Then I'll go back to GitHub, new issue. So I'll say bug, percentage bug. Then I can say exceeding percentage is added to the list of receivers. How does this work? Isn't this a bug? Then I will say see attached. Then I'll get the screenshot I made, and it is uploading. So yes, it has uploaded. We can now submit issue. There are now 3 issues, and that's one way of contributing to open source projects as a beginner developer, especially if you're a developer who has not yet gained experience in coding. That's it. Thank you for watching.